Hello, I'm Whitley Yee at the FIP World Congress in Seoul. I'm with Dr. Miranda Surchik from the University of Zagreb. She's been presenting on the work of pharmaceutical scientists investigating the presence of aspergilli in flooded houses. Miranda, what's the background for this work?
So Croatia experienced some heavy rains and flood in 2014 in the rural areas. Having in mind the experience people had after the Katrina hurricane in 2005 in the United States, we knew that the mold deserves special attention, that they will grow in such damp dwelling materials. Unfortunately, it's people's homes, it's schools that are flooded, so consider the consequences of chronic exposure to the mold and to the mycotoxins in the mold spores.
So what did the research involve and what were your findings?
So our research is a part of a bigger project that is fully funded by the Croatian Scientific Foundation. Our main focus was the single and combined mycotoxin adverse effects of the aspergilli section, especially the versicolores. Sterigmatocystin is a hepatotoxic and nephrotoxic mycotoxin. It's also a precursor of the carcinogenic aflatoxin B1. Now, for aflatoxins, we know that they're a major contaminant in food samples, whereas the sterigmatocystin is mainly inhaled into the human organism. We know that they can lead to different types of allergies, such as fungal rhinitis, hypersensitivity, pneumonia, and even asthma.
So what are the potential applications of your findings?
So we analyzed the homes, the flooded houses, and we had control samples from unflooded area. We determined the concentrations of sterigmatocystin levels by employing an high-performance liquid chromatography method coupled to a diode array detector and electrospray ion trap mass analyzer. And we in fact found higher concentrations of sterigmatocystin-producing aspergilli, even though the capacity of producing was the same in the flooded and the control samples. Our team members went to the flooded areas to educate the people there on how to properly dry out and ventilate their homes and how to use bleach to remove the molds from the walls.
Lastly, why is it important for pharmaceutical scientists to be involved in this kind of work?
Well, I'm sure we've heard that being a pharmacist is not only about providing an appropriate medicine for your patient, it's about ensuring healthy lives as well. I'm sure that the environmental conditions and effects are a big part of that equation. We are witnessing hurricanes around the world while being here at the FIP World Congress in Seoul. So we came here hoping to, wanted to put some light on this problem, raising this an issue. And I'm sure that even though it's maybe a different type of research, that pharmaceutical scientists can do it and that it is equally important.
Thank you so much, Miranda. This is Whitley Yee reporting from FIP.